Greetings fellow medical professionals and medical students. My name is Isira and today I'm going to show you a legitimate way to get a subscription for UpToDate for free in 5 simple steps. This is a service used by medical professionals around the world. They utilize UpToDate as a clinical decision support source. It's their first choice of reference when they want to find out about the latest and most reliable findings about a particular topic in medicine. I will leave a link in the description for those who want to learn more about UpToDate. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, Medits. Medits is the official YouTube channel of the Medical Innovative and Technological Society of Faculty of Medicine, University of California. So, the way we are going to do this is through a subscription service called Better Evidence. If you were to directly buy an UpToDate subscription, it could cost as much as $600. Better Evidence lets you get a subscription for free. Step number 1. Go to the website better-evidence.org. I will also include a link in the description. So when you go to the website, it shows you the criteria for you to be eligible for this service. To sum it up, you simply have to be a medical professional or a student outside the United States and unable to afford UpToDate. Step number 2. Sign up and fill the application. You have to create a new account on the website and then it will direct you to the lengthy application form. We will provide a detailed step-by-step walkthrough for you to fill the application. First, you have to enter your personal info. When you are entering your mobile number, make sure you enter the country code. It also gives you the option to get updates via WhatsApp about your application process. I recommend you opt in for this as well if you use WhatsApp. After you submit that, it takes you to the next page where you have to enter your country and the medical facility that you are part of. Once you specify your country, it will automatically display a list of medical facilities in your country. You can search the list to find the medical facility. If it's not found, you can add the medical facility to the list. After you submit that, it takes you to another page where you have to enter the details about your work. You have to choose whether you provide direct medical care to patients and about how many patients you see in a week. Next, you are asked about whether you are paid for the service that you provide at your institution. After filling those, you have to choose your role at your institution and your primary medical specialty. After that, choose the type of setting that you are primarily practicing. There are options from all rural to all urban. Then you have to state your willingness to be conducted by Better Evidence team to talk more about your experience. Then they ask how you heard about the Better Evidence program. After that, you have to provide details about access to devices while providing clinical care and the frequency of using other medical sources such as Medscape, Google, PubMed, etc. when in need of advice or answers on clinical questions. After filling those, you have to answer a few questions on UpToDate, which are very straightforward. Then press continue. Here you have to describe why you are applying for an UpToDate subscription through Better Evidence donation program. This part is a bit tricky. You have to describe your role at your institution including direct patient care and how UpToDate will help you enhance your clinical practice. Also, it is important you describe the funding structure of your institution, whether it provides free service or a paid service. Finally, you have to describe your organization's impact on the community. For example, how many patients daily visits to the institution and what are the specialties and what are the services that you provide for the community. Also, it is important to not include your name and email or phone number or any personally identifying or contact information in this response. Next, submit the application. Step number 3. Wait for a response from BetterHelp. This takes weeks or even months. Having a reminder once a month to check the progress of your application will be a good practice. If you get chosen for the program, you will receive an email with your username and password. And that's all you have to do to get UpToDate for free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you may express your gratitude by clicking the like button.